if you're going to change everything and we're going to move on as a family, you have to change the situation at hand.
I'm going to deal with it.
And this Alfred or Numbers situation, how you going to deal with it? Because you say you don't want me to deal with it, you know.
I'm going to deal with it. I'm going to link King. Because King know him. Place where I run off, King control. So me take it from this. Because I'm not going to walk and look over my shoulder.
You can't afford to. Because remember, you have a daughter and some other kids.
You talk about some other kids. At this point, you know, I want pick them I know about, you know.
You can't just say that, Trevor. You not do no DNA, so you can't write off the kids. You can't just say it so without doing a DNA on the kids. Babe, tell me the honest truth. What you really carry me out to yourself to talk to me about? Or will you carry me out to yourself for do? Cause all me see is a road where your vehicle pass. What you do? What you up to? What you really up to, Trevor? Cause we could have the conversation here on the phone or down a call though.
I want to show you something.
Okay. Interesting. I open in none of them bush there. You want to show me? Yes, babe? You finish? Alright, I'll send the driver to pick you up. No, baby, I can't come for you. Your father is taking me somewhere that I don't know, but I'll send the driver and I'll call you to ensure that you get home. Alright? Yes. Mommy loves you. Bye.
So Camille, why you said that to the baby?
Somebody have to know where I go.
You're not easy, you know, man.
Trevor. Yeah.
Let's see. Camille, you remember when I carried you up on the piece of land around some where the place that have the whole powers?
Yes.
And we make a drive and go look on our next. As a matter of fact, we'd see some house on our hillside, some tractor and thing there. And me tell us I want to invest in one of them. I'm going to check it out. But here, let me check it out and find out there are people invest in the property and nothing really are going right now. So I just say, you know, I'm not bother look on that. So I sort this out.
Trevor, when I say sort out, are you on this?
No. We own this.